Last weekend, I walked into a party, excited, thought of enjoying the moment. But 10 minutes in, it felt like my mind was screaming for escape. Ever had that moment in your life? I watched people laugh, pose, they talked about their success in the party. While inside, I was comparing my worst day to their best. And it hit me. Social life feels like a stage. Everybody's acting. Do you remember what Shakespeare said once? The world is a stage and we all are actors. It seems to be true. My smile felt like too heavy. Every conversation in that particular party with someone, it felt like it was an audition for approval. What has changed? We swapped real connection for likes. We turned vulnerability into a shame. Modern gatherings push us to perform, not to belong. That's a real torture. And your brain wants safety. But society demands a mask. If you ever ask this question to yourself, then why does it feel like so exhausting? It doesn't mean you are broken. Now, you are awake. Imagine living social life for real, not for the showbiz. But there's a good news for you. The moment you choose depth over this drama, the real connection over performance, you reclaim your peace. Social life stops being a torture and starts acting like healing. Because your mind deserves freedom, not fatigue. Thank you very much for watching Psychosocial. Break the barriers.